You can use your thread straight from the skein like this. My recommendation is to pull from the end of the skein that's got the number on it. So if you look, I would be pulling from this end, and there should be a tail at the bottom here somewhere. And if you pull it out this end, it's a lot less likely to get tangled up. If you pull it from this end, you'll probably just pull it in to a big knot. I like, when I get new thread, to wind them on to bobbins. You can also wind round a clothes peg. So how much thread should you use? You don't want to cut off such a short amount that you're reaching the end of it really quickly, but you equally don't want to use a really long piece, because you're much more likely then to get knots at the back of your work, have to reach your arms out, maybe punch someone in the face. You know, don't do that. So my recommendation is to use your arm as a guide. So just hold your thread in your hand and pull back to just halfway between your elbow and your shoulder, and that's how much I would use, and then just snip off that amount.